na.
Go, guys.
You tell the game.
We're gonna play. My tree got sense. Come here. You should choose the flavor. There's a lot of.
No, I will the winner.
Ito I wanted, but I could try it once.
Wait lang. Call in line. Sino magjo-join? Sino magjo-join?
Try na.
Hindi,
Pa.
Oh, si Pina muna.
Ako second. Ew, that's so disgusting. Ako second.
What's that?
I got full bandage or pomegranate. You pick. Okay, I will try this. It's pomegranate. Ah!
Okay, isa. Ito naman si isa.
That's really sneaky.
Ulit.
Mama,
You need
the jelly bean smells
Sticky
so
bomb.
sweet.
Sticky bomb.
It
It's the
smells-
color. Sticky bomb color white. This one. White.
I smell those, but it smells like it smells like a poopy.
This one is
It's a
for
dead
you.
rat.
Sticky bomb.
Ew.
Sarap po. Ikaw naman, Ellie.
Oh, okay.
No. Go.
I want to choose the.
No, you just.
Full bandage. I don't know.
No, you just like this, oh. I'll do it for you. I'll go.
Go,
go, go. I'll be the one.
Find the ano,
I'll eat the pomegranate, the pink. Pink. Just the pink.
Where's the pink?
Yan. This one for you.
Sana nobody eats these. Go.
I'll go.
Is it the?
I'll go. Eat muna. Ano, masarap? Oh, go. You want your turn. Ay, you want. Ay, eat mo, boy. Ganun. Oh, mamaya na. Mamaya.
Stick bug.
Go, isa ulit. Alam ko.
Ako na nga.
Diba? Ito, white. The white.
This one?
Go. Meron.
This
Sarap.
good. Okay lang.
Okay lang si.
This good.
Cody. Cody.
Only doing one lang.
Okay, get mo
Because I'm
naman.
still full.
It's a
The correct
cappuccino. Oh, this one. The brown.
The black.
Brown. Brown. That's one. Ikaw naman. I'll go.
What is it? Sabi ko Luis Mila.
Uy, di ba? Tumingin ka dito.
Bit mo out. Lagay mo sa kaso.
Dito. What is it?
We're trying cappuccino.
Basta yun. Anika's turn. It's Anika. Naku, sticky bug.
Sticky bug?
For Anika. Sticky bug for Anika.
Saan yung kulay na?
Anika. Sticky bug, Anika. Wait. Oh, eat.
Is it yummy?
Check your in the camera.
It smells like poop. Yummy or not? Ew! You gonna like it? Put it in the trash can. Go.
No. It's okay.
It's okay. Finish it.
Finish it.
Okay, what?
Wait lang. Okay, ano muna? Si Mina ulit. Ayaw mo na. Ako hindi masarap. Oh, go. You got the cappuccino liver.
Liver?
This one, the liver. Brown.
Are you eating an organ? Liver. An onion. Yeah! Why did you eat the organ? I got my water here in case. I have two, but one of them is gone. Strawberry, banana smoothie, or dead fish? No, it's ginalaw ko. It's so disgusting and completely. I'm gonna get dead. Did you swallow an organ? No, I spit it out.
Ang baho ba siya?
Wait, I'm trying to find it.
Wow!
I'm trying to find the pink. Okay. Or dead fish.
Wait lang, matikman.
Ew! Can I brush my teeth when I choose this?
Ano sa'yo? Last na.
Okay.
Ano, ayaw niyo na ng game. Ay, naman, ang tagal naman. Ulit this, oh. Wait lang, oh.
Can I choose the toothpaste?
No, see, Tutti Frutti. This one is for you. Tutti Frutti, this one. No, this one is for you, Tutti Frutti.
Ew. Anong flavor to? Tutti frutti or...
Oh, eat mo dito.
Can we just bite muna?
Ano?
Later.
Swallow it.
That's fine.
Ano?
Kind of tastes weird.
Wag na. Oh, ano?
No one na?
No one?
Ayaw na? Me.
Oh, ikaw, oh.
This one na yan.
What's that? You need the brown, the cappuccino.
Wait lang ah.
Yeah.
Cappuccino or liver and onions? Oh, let's go. He got good. I got two bad ones in a row.
Ah, ano sa'yo?
Kuya, you want friend mo ako sa old lang. No.
You want? Oh, sige.
Ew.
Ano, masarap?
No.
Guys, oh, enough na. Tapos na yung game natin.
Yes. Can I try stinky socks?
Sticky song is color Tutti Frutti.
This could brush my teeth.
Pina, can you try this? Nang, are you matapang? Can you try this?
Can
Can you try? Halika dito. Try mo. Ano, that's a booger.
What is that in there?
Is it yummy, kuya? No.
Yummy toothpaste.
Okay na? At lagyan na?
Let's try. Let's go.
Sige, you try the...
Cheating or using others.
That's a booger.
Ew!
Okay, we're done. You say.
Wala, hindi pa.
Hindi na, we cannot finish this all. We're gonna try it with Mommy Bay. Say thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
How's your experience?
Bad!
Good.
My experience!
How's your experience?
When I tasted it, I first thought
it was good, and then it turned out to be bad.
How's your experience?
I ate the toothpaste, but it's feeling like that I brush my teeth.
That's feeling.
Hello?
Tina, how is it? Is it yummy?
Hello?
No.
That's a disgusting